Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a local account instead of Microsoft account in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to Accounts. Now, click on Your Info. Here you can see sign in with a Microsoft account instead. You have to click on this. Now here you can see create one. Click on it. Click on get a new email address. Now click on next. Now you have to give a password. Now click on next. Now you have to give a username. Click on next. Here you have to give a region or country and birth date. So this is how you can create a local account instead of Microsoft account in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.